Hi friends, in the previous session we were discussing about what is meant by progression, sequence, series. First we dealt with arithmetic progression and its equation and cases. Let's discuss about further cases relating to arithmetic progression. Eighth term of the series 6, 5 and a half, 5, 4 and a half. In the previous session we were discussing about series which is always having an increasing trend. The series may be increasing as well as decreasing. So from the series we can find that a equal to 6, a means the series beginning number, n is the which term, nth term. In the question it was asked 8th term, then the n will be 8. And the d, be cautious, while finding d you need to subtract the second number with the previous first number, then you will get minus 1 by 2. By applying the same values in the equation you will get the value 5 by 2. Next case, nth term of the series 3, 5, 7. Find out the nth term. In the previous session we were finding out the arithmetic progression or t subscript n. Usually in that cases n will be given. In this case n is not given, we need to find out. Okay, here a equal to 3, n equal to n or x, whatever may be. That will be your discretion whether to give it x, y or n itself, your discretion. And d is 2. By substituting in the equation you will get 2n plus 1. By substituting you will get 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2. Finally you will get 2n plus 1. This is the answer to this question. Make it clear, arithmetic progression cases or the problems in this section, you will not always arrive at a number or an answer. You will arrive at forms like 2n plus 1 or any number associated with any variable. You will not always be arriving at a final number. Here the answer for this question is 2n plus 1. So we will deal with further cases relating to this type of question. Next one. Which term of the series 93 plus 90 plus 87 is 0? Which term is which nth term of the series? Will be 93, 90, 87 and so it's going on. Which is the nth term, that is 0. Let the nth term be 0. Okay. Here the values a equal to 93, n question mark, d equal to minus 3 and t subscript n equal to 0, because we have assumed that let the nth term be 0. By substituting in the equation you will get 0 equal to 93 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. By solving it you will get 93 minus 3n plus 3, which leads to 3n equal to 96 and finally n equal to 32. These are the another cases relating to arithmetic progression. Okay. If the 9th term of an AP is 99 and 99th term is 9, find the 108th term. It's an application level question, so be cautious. If the 9th term of an AP is 99 and 99th term of is 9, find the 108th term. So before applying into an arithmetic progression equation, we need to find out the various values associated with variables. Here in the question it is given 9th term of AP is 99 and 99th term is 9. Here no details regarding the value of A and D. Nothing is given. So let's assume let A be A and D be D. You can use X or Y, it's your discretion. For the time being, I am using A and D. Okay, as per the question, it is given if the ninth term, that is T subscript 9 equal A plus 9 minus 1 D. We substituted the numbers and variables in the equations, and you will get A plus 8D equal, let it be equation 1. So from the base of details given in the question, T9 is A plus 8D. Likewise, 99th term, T subscript 99, you will get A plus 98D. Let the first A plus 8D be equation 1, and second case let A plus 98D be equation B. I hope I understand that why we did like this, because in the question there is no information regarding from which number the series start, what is the common difference, nothing, only just some sort of 9th term details and 99th term details. In such cases, you need to use linear equation, or sometimes in some cases you might end up with quadratic equation methods. So let's continue with the further. By using equation A and B, here in the question it is said that if the 9th term is 99 and 99th term is 9, that is T9 equal to 99 and T99 equal to 9. By substituting the T9 and T99 for equation A and B, you will get for first one A plus 8D equal to 99, because in equation A it is said that T9 equal to A plus 8D, and in the question it is said that T9, that is 9th term of AP is 99. Then you can arrive at an equation A plus 8D equal to 99. Likewise, you will also get A plus 98D equal to 9. I think you got the concept. By solving on the basis of linear equation, you will get D equal to minus 1. By substituting the D in any of the equation, you will get the value of A. Now A is 107. Now we have the value of A, common difference D equal to minus 1, and nth term 108. So you can now apply the details into the arithmetic progression equation on the basis of 108 term, that is equal to A plus 108 minus 1 into D. You will get 107 plus 107 minus 1. Finally, the answer is 0. I hope you understand the concept. Arithmetic progression cases, you will not always end up with using an equation directly from the data available in the question. Sometimes you have to arrive at some sort of linear equation methods or quadratic equation methods in order to apply the same in the equation. That's all for today. These are the various activity questions. Just try to find the answers. We will discuss about the further areas in the coming sessions.